Assalamu alaikum dear listeners. Hope you all are doing well. Here is Aksar Mukhtar and I am speaking from respected Sir Mubashir Altaf's official YouTube channel Critical Thinking and Research. We are going to start a series of out-of-box thoughts, and these thoughts are given by Professor Mubashir Altaf in his excellent book Thoughts Out of Box. He is a PhD scholar and current professor in UOS English department. He is the author of 7 books so far, which are available in Amazon. He has published Thoughts Out of Box in 2021. This book should be read by every learner. It is a series of writers' personal experience, reading and observation, and it has included 299 outstanding ideas along with a prologue and epilogue. I just want to say about Thoughts Out of Box that it is an excellent book packed with excellent ideas, written by excellent writer for excellent readers. So, in this series, I am going to present some ideas from this book in the form of videos and also request to respected sir that he himself present his ideas from this very book. So please do listen us, do read Thought Out of Box and think out of box. And please support my effort in this platform. Your appreciation and motivation is quite necessary for the success of this series. So keep connected with us and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share. Stay blessed. See you soon in the next video with some out-of-box thoughts from Thoughts Out of Box by Professor Mubashir Altaf. Thank you so much.